IMZ Ural is considered to be the only factory in Russia specialized in design and manufacturing of heavy-duty motorcycles for both military and civil purposes. The plant has been producing motorcycles with sidecars for the needs of Soviet Army since 1942 and for export since 1953. The Ural trademark is well known all over the world. For over 50 years, IMZ Ural have been supplying the production to 64 countries. At the moment, IMZ Ural is the only Russian company which manufactures automotive vehicles that are certified and sold in the US. Thousands of motorcycles Ural are delivered under orders of defense authorities in the countries of Northern Africa and Southeastern Asia. Currently, the factory starts a new product line of military motorcycles of 8.103 type with a 3x2 wheel formula. The product line includes special modifications designed to equip reconnaissance and patrol units. Powerful engine and adequate transmission ensure the high dynamics and roadability of the motorcycle. The short wheelbase of only 1500 mm and big diameter wheels of 19 inches in combination with the cross-country tire pattern plus reverse gear and high clearance are the best for heavy terrain. The design and structure of powertrain, featuring gearbox as a separate unit and a propeller shaft, are dependable and easy in repair right in the field. The crew of the motorcycle may consist of 2 or 3 people, including driver. It is possible to load up to 100 kilograms of equipment and ammunition onto the sidecar without a passenger and 25 kilograms with a passenger. A smaller size and a unique roadability, even as compared to a military jeep, make the motorcycle suitable for the battle in difficult cross-country conditions and in the cities. The basic armament of the motorcycle is the machine gun of PK type, 7.62 mm caliber. The capacity of the shell box is 100 shells. An extra cartridge allows to increase the amount of the carried ammo up to 400 shells. Along with the standard functions, a special modification being equipped with the automatic grenade launcher of AGS-17 Plamia 30 mm caliber allows to destroy the infantry at the distance of 1000 to 1500 meters. For the first time in history of modern battle, the motorcycle is used as an effective carrier of anti-tank rockets. The rocket launcher is placed on the sidecar fender. It allows to destroy the ground targets at a distance of 400 meters. The load capacity of the motorcycle sidecar is 4 rockets of 9K111 or 9K113. A combination of high speed and effectiveness of arms provided the superior battle results. The motorcycle is suitable for different climatic conditions, starting with Arctic zone and ending up with tropics in the temperature range between -40 to +50 degrees centigrade. The plant participated in several international exhibitions of arms, where IMZ 8.103 and its high road ability and capability of effective destroying the enemy forces attracted an extraordinary interest of foreign military attaches and army officers. IMZ Ural offers a full range of motorcycles and accessories supplies and a complete technical service during all the service period.